Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to put digital creator on your Facebook profile. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so let's start by opening the Facebook application. And once you've opened, you will be seeing a set of a menu on the top of your screen. And in this menu, you will be seeing the three-lined icon right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap that one. And once you've tapped it, you will be transferred to the screen. And in this screen, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the help and support category. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped it, you will be presented with this set of options. And on the topmost of these options, you'll be seeing the help center. That's the one we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap that one. And you'll be transferred to the screen. And on the screen, you'll be seeing a search tab. Let's go ahead and tap that one and type in digital creator. And once you've typed it, you'll be seeing these suggestions. You can choose whichever you'd like to tap. All of it works. But the one that we're going to be tapping is the first one, which is the digital creator. And once you've tapped it, you will be seeing these suggestions that you can tap onto that is connected to what you've searched. But the one we're looking for to access the digital creator on Facebook is the Access Creator Support from Facebook. Once you've seen it, let's go ahead and tap that one. And you'll be transferred to the screen. And as you can see, this feature is only available to some people right now. That means this option is not available for me. But if you're one of the famous people, or a video on your profile that you've created has been trending, I think that will make this creator support from Facebook available to you. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.